walking in the woods, in the rain, to help move some of this energy. I'm having a really, another dark night of the soul. This is, it's coming in waves. It's insane. But it's good, I guess. Still feeling tired. Feeling like, I don't know. I really don't know which way to turn. I have no idea whether to go up or down, left or right, diagonal, or just spin my wheels. I'm trying hard. And if any of you are going through all this, the energies are heavy. It's not just you. Stay strong. You're loved. Sometimes it's hard to remember that, but you are. And it is just so much easier in nature. Letting you know you can do it. I'm proud of you. Just listen to that rain. Oh.